Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to work the extended single crochet stitch. To work an extended single crochet stitch, you're going to go into your next stitch just like a single crochet, yarn over and pull back through. And when you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and you're just going to pull through that first loop there. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. The extended single crochet just adds a little bit of height to the original single crochet. So let me show you how to do that again. Go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, and that's your extended single crochet. I worked some down here in this row, and this is what they look like right there. To me, it's a really pretty simple stitch, and it does add a little bit of texture to a pattern. Let me show you one more time how to work this stitch. You're going to go into your next stitch here, yarn over, pull back through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, you have 2 loops on your hook again, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. And that is the extended single crochet. The extended single crochet has a little bit of slant to the stitch. So when I'm working those, I'll put a stitch marker in my last stitch in the row, so when I come back through with another stitch, I can see where my last stitch is, because it can throw it off. I had trouble a couple of times looking to see where I needed to put my last stitch in a row. If you would like to be notified when I upload new videos to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting!